Unit 8, Sound 1. Letters OR with OR. Keywords 關鍵詞字母 letter 聲音 sound 元音 vowel 音節 syllable 英文拼音 English phonics. This is a stork. The stork is on the internet. What is he looking at? He's looking at Oreos. Oh, so the stork is ordering Oreos. And here is our chant. Stork orders Oreos, or. Stork orders Oreos, or. Stork orders Oreos, or. Or is the sound of OR. The letters OR make the sound OR. Here are some words that have the letters OR and the sound OR. Corn. Here is some corn. Corn. Horns. Oh, this unicorn has one horn, then two, then three, then four horns. Horns. Horse. Horse. Sport. These balls show different sports. Sport. Blending sounds. OR makes a sound OR. TH makes a sound F. Let's blend these sounds together. Or, orth. This is not a word in English, but you can find orth in the word north, and this compass shows north. TH makes the sound F. OR makes the sound OR. Let's blend these sounds together. Or, Thor. Thor is a word in English. It is the name for the Norse god of thunder, or Thor. And here is Thor from the Marvel comics. SH makes the sound sh. OR makes the sound OR. Let's blend these sounds together. Sh, or, shore. Shore is not a word in English, but you can find shore in the word shorts. And here are some shorts. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.